if I remember right, this were quite tricky trying to get through this bit. There's not a lot of room, and it's a steep hill. Oh, we've got a canal boat here as well. Tricky.
Come on, Spike.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was tricky getting up there.
Yeah.
I went the other way, but I thought I can't get across that road.
Yeah.
But yeah, it gets me about.
Ooh, actually,
Yeah, love it.
not surprising this heat.
Say again.
Not surprising this heat.
Oh yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Yeah,
When you're moving. I like the colour.
Thank you very much.
I'll give you the pull.
Push on the edge.
Hope I don't me back out. You ready?
At your own risk, sir.
Jesus, that is hard, isn't it?
I can get behind it now. I think I can.
Is it better to push?
Yeah.
So you got what? Use this side as much as you can.
Always. Yeah.
It's going.
Obviously, if you're always with the bouncer, so I'm sure they'd normally jump off and get your hand on anything.
Thank you very much for the help.
Really? You'd think so, wouldn't you? Yeah. Cheers, mate.
That's very heavy, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's cut them down because of how narrow it is, and it doesn't give you that bit of leverage you need.
Yeah.
Might be.
Dog looks like he's enjoying it. Thank you.
Leave these gates open.
Leave them open.
Shut that.
Follow them on. There you go.
Yeah.
Hiya.
All I said is what it's not that, it's not put man on. I just leave the mark, just leave the mark.
Oh yeah, see you wait. Yeah, that's it. No, sorry mate. No, sorry about that. I thought it was away. Yeah. Oh gosh, I was.